solve problems that other people can't. We meet, we figure out what we need to do, and we get it done. We're a big team here. We really are.
Cooper Enterprises is a contract manufacturer. What we do is we help customers to not increase their overhead, but at the same time increase their sales.
We can produce a lot of different products for a lot of different markets. We do a lot of store fixtures, commercial casework for universities, healthcare settings, hospitals, clinics, corporate buildings.
Cooper Enterprises is a manufacturer of engineered wood products. We design, build, ship commercial cabinets for retail displays. We do a lot of cabinetry for hospitals, the medical field, universities, and we do a lot of one-off type stuff. We're a specialty shop. We're a job shop.
We have a quick turnaround time, and we have the capability to do a lot of amazing things. We have some great machinery here, we've got a lot of technology here, and we have a great team that really cares. It's just a great place to work.
We stand out from a competition because we Cooperize things.
Cooperize for me is when an unexpected moment comes up and you've got to pivot and find a way around something that may have been unexpected.
Is when we Cooperize something, we're essentially value engineering. We're taking sketches or dimensions that we get from a customer, technical drawings from a customer, and we're Cooperizing it, value engineering it to basically make it a best fit for our operation as it goes through production.
The diversity that we have in projects. You're never bored here. You're never ever bored here because we're doing things from residential to commercial and everywhere in between. So you can always dive into something different here. You're never just doing the same thing, rinse, wash, and repeat over and over.
The group that we work with is a large part that keeps me coming back every day. We just got a lot of really great people working around us and together to get jobs done. I mean, we're here for a goal, and we're all working together for that goal.
There's a lot of reason to be excited about Cooper's future. I'm very excited about where we're going. We're implementing a lot of product lines, so it's going to be a lot of new markets for us, but there's going to be a lot of opportunities within the company as well that come along with implementing those new product lines.